and procedure, for example, automating change with deployment pipeline and responding to events that are triggered. And then second, we have security. So security pillar is the ability to protect information, systems, and assets while delivering business value through risk assessment and mitigation strategies. And then we have reliability pillar. So reliability pillar basically help us to recover from infrastructure or service disruption, or dynamically acquire computing resources to meet demand, or even mitigate disruptions such as misconfiguration or transient network issues also. Or then performance efficiency. Okay? So performance efficiency, which is the ability to use computing resources efficiently, right? So whether your utilization is, all the resources are efficiently used or not, that you can find it there. Okay? And then cost optimization. So you can evaluate your architecture against the cost optimization best practices as well. And sustainability is a new goal for many organizations nowadays. And sustainability is understanding the impact of the services used, quantifying impact through the entire workload lifecycle, and applying design principles and best practices to reduce these impacts as well. And from an AWS customer perspective, emissions from your workload running on AWS are accounted for an indirect emission as well. Right? So these were the key areas and best practices that we can adopt from AWS. Uh, like for example, AWS CAF or well-architected framework whenever it comes to planning for migrating, or for 7R strategies for migration. So you can explore these areas that can help you to well prepare for your maybe journey with the AWS environment. So let's have a quick knowledge check for module number 9 before I give you the summary on the certification as well. So question number 1, which AWS cloud adoption framework perspective help you structure the selection and implementation of permissions? Apply common sense if you are not able to recall all the 6 pillars or the 6 perspectives of the CAF. Indeed. Right? So permissions always will fall under security perspective. Exactly. Question number 2. Which strategies are included in the 7 strategies for application migration? So we talked about 7R. Revisiting is not a strategy, right? So you may want to retain, right? That's correct. Then remembering, that's nice, but not the answer. Redeveloping, that is also not a strategy. Rehosting can be one. All right, so correct, B and E. Awesome. Then we have question number 3. What is the storage capacity of snowmobile? The facility loaded in a truck. The storage facility loaded in a truck. Exactly. So that would be exabyte scale, hundreds of petabytes of data you can transfer through snowmobile. Question number 4. What is the storage capacity of Snowball Edge Storage Optimized? Snowball Edge Storage Optimized solution available up to 80 terabytes, right? And Snowcone was up to 14 terabytes. And final question, which AWS well-architected framework pillar includes the ability to recover from infrastructure or service disruption? So this is regarding disruptions, right? So disruption linked with the reliability pillar, exactly. So that's D. All right. So these are the key area that we wanted to explore. Let me give you the quick brief. I know we are already 2 minutes over time. So give me a couple of more minutes so I can give you a quickly brief about AWS certification. So one exam detail first. So if you are planning for AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, So you will be tested against these 4 domains: cloud concept, security and compliance, technology, billing and pricing. And this will be the percentage of coverage for each domain. And maybe Vinita, if you can share this exam link as well. Sorry, this certification link, CP. Yeah. So here you can find all the exam related details also. So recommended experience. So basic understanding of IT services. There is no mandatory requirement. This is a recommendation only. And at least 6 month experience with the AWS cloud will really help you to pass the exam. And then exam details. So you must complete the exam within 90 minutes. And the minimum passing score is 700. Right? Maximum is 1000. And the exam consists of multiple choice and multiple response question. And if you are not from a English speaking countries, then you can request for a 30-minute time extension as well. So there is no penalty for guessing answer. Make sure you answer for all the questions, and unanswered questions are scored as incorrect. You can flag questions to review before submitting the exam. So make sure, even if you are not sure, select the option, any option which is closest one, and then flag it for review so that you can spend time after completing all the questions also. And then technical papers and resources that you can utilize to prepare for your exam. Right? So thanks, Vinita. I think she has already pasted a self-paced digital training as well. So whenever you want to revisit, you can basically go to the skill builder, and skill builder will help you to basically explore, provide the multiple training, not only the CPE, but there are multiple portfolio of trainings available, and you can explore based on your requirements. And for exam strategies, always read the full question, predict the answer before looking at the response option, and exclude incorrect response options as well. And here's one example. So you may get a multiple choice question where you have the question and 4 options are given. So you will have to choose one correct option there. Like for example, in this case, these are the keywords: CPE and minimum passing score. So you will get a absolute answer here. 700 is a passing score. Another question type you can think of: multiple responses, where you will be given with the scenario. Try to find out the keyword in the scenario. So here, which domains are included in the certified cloud practitioner. So here you will have to provide multiple responses here. Like for example, security and compliance and billing and pricing are the 2 key areas. And with that, it is recommended to continue your journey so that you can explore more on AWS and build your skills and career on AWS environment. So you can basically scan this QR code to get access to the AWS Builder, Skill Builder platform. The link also shared with the by the Vinita. So you can basically use that link to register yourself, and you can experience game-based learning, self-paced lab, use case challenges, and even exam preparation also. So there are 500 plus courses available and that you can explore. And continue your learning with the various learning and offerings. And these are the various AWS certifications. So you are here currently, Cloud Practitioner Foundation level certification. So after this, you have 3 tracks: architect, operate, and developer. So you can choose accordingly, start with the associate level certification and then move to the professional certification. And after professional, you have multiple specialty certifications, including security, networking, databases, machine learning. So depending on your interest area and business requirement, you can basically choose a particular track. All right, so this is what I wanted to cover today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today. So Vinita, I would request if you can share a feedback link again. So it is quite important for us. So I would request everyone to provide the feedback for this session. What was your experience? Any improvement areas? Any things that you liked about this training? Please do mention there. And thank you so much, Vinita, for all your support. I know it was a huge class and you must be getting a lot of questions today. Any closing words, Vinita?
Yeah, KP, it was a wonderful session. Thanks a lot. I hope all our participants also enjoyed the same. And I have answered almost all the questions which was on the questions panel. So I hope everyone are satisfied with the answers and the session. And please keep connected and a happy learning to everyone.
Thank you so much, Vinita. So here we are sharing our coordinates as well. So if you want to connect on LinkedIn, please feel free, or you can drop a email as well on our email addresses if you need any help in this area. All right, folks. Thank you so much again. Have a good rest of your day. See you next time, maybe in next training. Take care. Bye bye.